Churning beliefs into power is a very dangerous way of moving ahead because belief एक ऐसी चीज होती है जिसकी कोई लिमिट नहीं होती. Beliefs is something that keeps evolving and keeps growing, and you can very strongly go to the skin of a belief. अभी क्या हो रहा है ना, हर चीज कट डाउन करते 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 इंसान है, फ्रस्ट्रेशन है उसका. फ्रस्ट्रेशन नहीं भी है, कभी कभी सरकाज़म है, कभी कभी फन वे है, हम बात करते हैं, लोगों का तरीका होता है बात करने का. कम्युनिकेशन इज अ कंफर्ट जोन. हाउ यू चूज टू कम्युनिकेट विद समबडी, इट्स अ कंफर्ट जोन. अब उस कंफर्ट जोन में क्या होता है, लोग कहते हैं कि फॉर इंस्टेंट कई हिंदू बिलीवर्स इसको मानते हैं कि अगर आप अब्यूज करेंगे देन इट takes away a lot of positive energy from your life because you have used terminologies which are abusive, and abuse is something which is not taken as a very positive thing, but it's taken as a negative and it's going to bounce back to you. तो जैसे अगर किसी ने abuse किया, कुछ गलत शब्दों का उपयोग किया, तो वो शब्द आपकी जिंदगी में कोई भी उथल पुथल ला सकते हैं. तो अब क्या होता है कि इतने सारे पॉलिटिशियंस है भाई, वो भी बात करते हैं. they try to reach out to the level of the people they are dealing with. कई बारी हम सोचते हैं यार, नरेंद्र मोदी ने ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया कि तुम व्हाट वाज दैट वर्ड ही यूज्ड, किसके राजा हो, गधों के राजा, समथिंग लाइक दैट. एंड सो मेनी टाइम्स लाइक राहुल गांधी यूज द वर्ड पनौती. तो क्या होता है ना कि हम जिन लोगों से कम्युनिकेट करते हैं ना, उन लोगों का मेंटल लेवल वही है, तो हमें वोकैबुलरी भी वही यूज करनी पड़ती है, शब्द भी वही यूज करनी पड़ती है जो उनकी मेंटल लेवल के साथ मैच करे. दैट इज हाउ यू एड्रेस पीपल बिकॉज उनकी लिमिटेशन ही वही है, उनकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग ही वहीं पे जाएगी, उनका रिएक्शन और रिस्पॉन्स हमें वहां पे मिलेगा. अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो अच्छे शब्द यूज नहीं कर सकते, अच्छे शब्द हम सब यूज कर सकते हैं. लेकिन क्या होता है ना, आई अंडरस्टैंड politicians today the way they have different speaking caliber and addressing different people differently is because they try to go into the footsteps of that particular crowd. और ये मेरे साथ बहुत हुआ है, and I'm not saying this as a leader, as a general पर्सनालिटी जो मैं हूँ, मेरे साथ ये बहुत होता है कि मैं जिस ग्रुप में बैठी होती हूँ, मैं उस ग्रुप का हिस्सा बनने के लिए आई फॉरगेट the shoes I wear and I try to fit into the shoes that they are wearing. And this somewhere backfires me. It does not backfire them. It will backfire me because I tried to step in those shoes. Okay? अब मैं अगर step ना करूं उस shoes में तो भी problem है, क्योंकि I have a high nose. I'm not blending with them. लेकिन ultimately मुझे काम करना है उन लोगों के साथ, तो कुछ पैरेलल इक्वालिटी बिहेवियर, कुछ वैसी चीजें लानी पड़ेंगी जिसमें लगे कि हाँ, दिस पर्सन हैज अ बैलेंस फ्रीक्वेंसी. ये चीजें कोई समझता नहीं है प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड में. मैं ये चीज लीडरशिप लेवल पे समझ सकती हूँ क्योंकि मैं प्रोफेशनल वर्ल्ड से गुजरी हूँ जिसमें मैंने उस एट्रीब्यूट को इन्वॉल्व किया था अपनी लाइफ में. And I know how it feels, and how people treat you. You are not dumb, but you behave dumb. And why you behave dumb is because you want to be a people's person and you want to be like an accepted person, and you like people making fun of you, and you're okay with the idea that somebody else is feeling great about themselves. That is your nature. That makes you who you are, and that shows who they are. That they are not understanding the fact that you are acting dumb, but you are not really dumb. You know? So, in my understanding, Rahul Gandhi, what everybody calls him dumb so far, somewhere down the line, he has been trying to be somebody who is going to fit into the vessel of dumbs, who's going to fit into the people who are dumb. And that's the reason he is being called dumb, because the dumb people are acknowledging their own character, you know. And when you see your own mirror, you pull out mistakes. It's that simple. And you pull out mistakes and you point a finger. So in a way, people are pointing a finger at themselves because Rahul Gandhi is just presenting a face of who they are. What is their mindset? That's what our leaders do. That's what they do. That's what I have been doing. I have been a mirror to everybody who looks into me, that you can see yourself. This is you. Now it is up to you whether you find mistakes in me and whether you find qualities in me, and that defines you're finding mistake in yourself or you're finding a quality in yourself. Am I clear? I hope there is a lot of clarity here. So let's not give power to the beliefs, because beliefs having power is going to drive people haywire, and it will be a major destruction. And the cause of destruction that today we are dealing with is because we have given power to the belief. Belief is a personal emotion, and it should not be highlighted or put in a position of power, because when you put belief in a position of power, you take away its actual relevance and quality. You take away its shine. Okay. I don't know how best I can frame this right now, but it's like uh, I blend my diamond stone with some other stones of the similar background. Well, do you think it's gonna have the similar shine? It's gonna blend with all, right? And since it's gonna spark the most because it is the real diamond. So rest of the other diamonds which are shining less are eventually going to point out a finger on that diamond which is shining the most. And they want to remove it, or they want to shadow that shine. And why they want to do it? They want to do it because it is not blending to their light, not blending to their light. It is standing out. It is powering, not empowering others. In the same way, if Yogi Adityanath chooses to dress up differently like a leader, then he won't be able to empower preachers. Today he is able to empower preachers because of his dressing, not the leaders. He is empowering preachers. There's a difference. So you have to blend with a certain crowd and a certain group to empower them. And when they point a finger at you, that is a mirror reflection. They are actually seeing their own mistakes in you. And that's the reason they are pointing a finger at you. We are all mirrors to each other. When we walk, we try to entertain people how they are, not how we are. We address them how they are. It's a very good. There's a very good line. Treat people how they treat you. So you treat people how they treat you. It's simple. You're being a reflection of them. And when they are pointing a finger at you, it means they are pointing a finger at themselves, because you are being a reflection to them. You're a walking mirror to their reality. That's all.